Hey, my people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, then welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any content we have coming at you. So today we will be swatching what is my new obsession, Vettsy SolidGel polish. It is so neat and it turns out so smooth and really gives you a solid color. So I won't be doing too much gabbing through this video because it's going to be a simple swatch and show, but I might jump in from time to time just to, do a little commentary here and there because I'm not good at shutting up. So here we go. Now, when you open it, it doesn't come with these hearts on it. They actually give you the hearts for you to swatch it, and they give you little stickies for you to stick them on the jars, which I think are adorable. So this isn't my first time opening it. I had already used it because I couldn't contain myself. So you'll see that the little jars already have imprints in them. So as you see with this red, I use that a lot because I love this color. But they're solid, so you can flip the whole jar upside down. Nothing will run, nothing will spill. And just look how smooth that color comes on. It's really pretty and really solid. So I'll just let you guys watch as we go through the swatches, and we'll come back later. We got these all swatched and baked and top coated, and I like that blue spread there, and the red I think looks pretty with it too. So I really liked how that swatch actually turned out. We got this one all baked and top coated, and I love this spread. It looks so fall. So I thought that came out really nice too. Here, so I had to fix that. But these are all the shears with a little sparkle. Then we have all of the finished product. I did do a second coat before I put on the top coat. So you guys let me know what you think. I will leave a link to the website in my description along with my 20% off coupon code so you can save you some coin. If you guys enjoyed the video, a like or a comment will help a sister out. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you stay up to date on whatever I got coming next. And here is a set that I did with them. I had to do something really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.